Nitrile and vinyl synthetic gloves are the main types of exam gloves used by the NHS. The journey starts with the NHS supply chain. The order is processed 6,500 miles away at factories in East Asia. Nitrile synthetic gloves are comprised of the chemicals acrylonitrile and butadiene, derived from crude oil. Crude oil is pumped into large ships. It is then transported to refinement facilities via pipeline, rail or tanker. The rubber enters the production cycle of the glove factory, where an endless loop of ceramic hands create molds to which the rubber adheres. The molds first enter a bath of nitric acid and water to wash off residues and contaminants. Then into a bath of filtered water to remove the nitric acid and any remaining particles. These processes require many litres of water and chemicals, so the baths must be regularly replenished to maintain quality. On exiting the bath, excess rubber drips off and the glove begins to take shape. At the end of the production line, operatives take over, as there are no machines that can strip the gloves off the molds as carefully or efficiently. Once the dispensers have been filled, they are packed into larger boxes, which are then packed into shipping containers. Once full, the containers are transported to port. The large, fully loaded ships take up to 6 weeks to travel the 6,500 miles to the UK. The NHS supply chain organises every NHS hospital's needs, with shipments sorted and allocated across a vast chain of deliveries happening every day. NHS supply chain sorts and arranges delivery for the required quantity of gloves to each destination. The hospital teams then deliver the packages to wards and departments. Every year, the NHS uses 1.7 billion nitrile gloves, costing around £48 million. Once used, the gloves are disposed of as domestic, offensive or clinical waste.